Hi, my name is Brandon Pruitt. I'm the Director of Sales, Marketing, and Customer Service here at TUTCO. I have the awesome opportunity of working with a great group of people every day and to provide solutions to the market.
Yes, my name is Angela Bruce. I'm the HR Director here at TUTCO in Cookeville, Tennessee for the Heating Solutions Group.
Hey, so my name is Dustin Kennedy. I'm a Production Supervisor here at TUTCO. Been here 21 years.
My name is Sasha Boswell. I work in HR here at our Cookeville facility.
My name is Mindy Carroll. I'm the Accounting Manager at TUTCO.
My name is Robert Merrill. I'm the Environmental Health and Safety Coordinator here at TUTCO. A little bit about what I do. I do things like coordinating with the SWAT team. What the SWAT team does is they perform monthly safety audits to ensure everything is safe around here around TUTCO.
Hello, my name is Candace Bilbrey and I have been here for 15 years and I work in HR and I do payroll and benefits.
We do the best we can do. We try to get out. We have a list of customers that we do in certain orders, but if we don't get it today, we'll get it first thing in the morning. That's just how we do it.
My name is Sarah Scott, and I am a materials intern.
Hi, my name is Kim Allen, and I am a lead here at TUTCO.
My name is Amy Goins, and my main job now is I make wire. But I wire the heaters, I make the coil for the heaters.
Hey, I'm Dane Owen, and I manage the TUTCO entities, which consist of North America, China, and Mexico. What I love about TUTCO, I love the heart of the people and the passion that all of us have for taking care of our customers and simply doing the right thing every day.
So I've been here over 23 years and it's amazing to say I love TUTCO, I love this place, I love everybody I work with.
I love keeping and building relationships with all of our employees.
Something that I'm passionate about is our team and just how we all work together.
I've been here since I was 20 years old, and it's really the only adult job I've ever had, and I've been very blessed to have leaders throughout my time here at TUTCO that lifted me up.
Well, I would say everyone is very friendly and it's very family oriented, and I feel like everyone really cares about each other.
What makes me passionate is the community. I feel like there's a sense of family here, and I feel like all of my colleagues have my back. I like to be able to help. Like if somebody needs help, somebody's behind, I can go help them. And if Chris needs something because somebody's not here, I can go do their jobs.
My boss always has my back, and that's all I could ask for, somebody to have my back.
As far as my bosses go, I consider them friends, but also two guys, and Chris and Jeremy, who hold me accountable for being the leader too, and it only makes me better in the long run.
So I think this role fits perfectly for me in that I still get to make sure that the people here at TUTCO, out on the production floor, in the office, everybody goes home safe at the end of the day and just looking out for everybody.
Everything we do is focused on the employee and how we can better them, better the job, just make it a better place. And so I'm very passionate about doing what I can to help others and to always focus on doing better.
When I think about TUTCO, I think about family, and I look at each member of the team as one of my family members, and we'll have our battles back and forth, but at the end of the day, we come together and we make things happen that otherwise wouldn't happen. And so it's the collaboration, the synergies, and how we are able to bring things to our customers that provide solutions and make their lives better.